It's causing international waves, and it involves famous Danish actor Mads Mikkelsen. Danish film studio Zentropa is demanding that the US Department of Homeland Security remove a video that used a scene from the Oscar-winning movie Another Round without permission. The clip showing actor Mads Mikkelsen dancing was apparently used to celebrate recent immigration arrests, part of the Trump administration's crackdown. Zentropa says that the use violates copyright law and disrespects the film's original meaning, turning a joyful moment into a political propaganda show. Neither Homeland Security nor the US Embassy has responded yet, and fans are furious online. You can see the clip in this video and then decide for yourself. Is it okay to use this cut to celebrate the arrest of immigrants in the US? Let me know in the comments below.